Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a slightly different video for you guys. I'm doing a White Fox try on haul. So White Fox was so kind to send me over $1,000 worth of clothes, and I'm gonna be showing you everything that they sent me. Just walking around, I've seen so many girls just wearing White Fox hoodies, like this exact one that I'm wearing right now. Like, it's super cute. Their athleisure is to die for. Literally my favorite athleisure brand that I currently own. The sweat sets are just so soft, so comfortable. I'm literally obsessed. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys all of the pieces that I picked out that they sent me. I'll give you guys a little bit of a review for each piece, let you guys know what I personally recommend on their website, give you guys a nice little discount code. Also, they offer worldwide shipping, which is super nice. And yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, so I'll start with the one that I'm wearing right now. This is a matching sweat set. It's the light gray and pink Comfort Club sweat set. So it's the hoodie and the sweatpants. Like I said, guys, their sweat sets are just so comfortable. Like, they're so soft. The material is very thick, so it's super warm as well. I think the shape of the clothes are also just super flattering. This is definitely an oversized hoodie. You know, the oversized look is kind of just what's trending right now. I just love a matching set. You know, it's just so cute. You can wear this literally if you're just running errands, just chilling around the house. I do that all the time. I literally wore this to my nail appointment the other day, and I also saw another girl wearing like the same thing while I was there, which was a little weird, but this is what the back looks like. Super comfortable. The hoodie and the sweatpants are both size small/medium for reference. I always like to get sweat sets a little bit oversized. Usually I'm an extra small in White Fox, but for baggy items, I like to go a little bit bigger. Also because hoodies and sweatpants generally shrink a bit in the wash, so I wanted to size up just to be safe. You know, there's absolutely nothing wrong with the oversized look anyway, so. Next I have this other gray hoodie. It's pretty similar to the other one, but it is red instead. This is the With Love White Fox hoodie. You can see that it says that in the front, and then in the back there's this super cute cherry 8-ball design. I really love how that looks. And again, it's just a very nice oversized hoodie. Super comfy, cozy. All of their sweat sets are, again, so fluffy inside, and I just absolutely love them. Just so cute as well. Like, so next we have one of my favorite loungewear athleisure pieces, which is this gray quarter zip. You can tell I love this gray color, but she's just so cute. It's like the most perfect casual sweater when you want to be super comfy but not wear a hoodie. This one is also super soft, super comfortable. It feels just like the hoodies, very fluffy and cozy inside, and also very warm. It has the little White Fox logo on the sleeve right here. I love that it's super subtle and not super branded as well. Definitely gonna be one of my everyday staples. Absolutely love it. Next I have this super cute cream and green colored White Fox hoodie. This is like very sporty country club vibes. I really love this one as well. Doesn't go with the sweats, honestly, but it is super cute. Very comfy and soft inside. This is what the front looks like. It has the short form for White Fox right here. Big hoodie pocket and a nice hood as well. And the very last hoodie I got is this brown and red White Fox hoodie. This is what the back looks like. I made sure to get so many hoodies because, I don't know, they're just so iconic. They're so cute. I really love this cherry design, and I think the brown and red goes so well together too. And it says Cherry Bomb on the back. Just so cute. I love this hoodie. Alright, so next I got this really cute gray tank top. This is called the Era 8 Singlet in the shade Mist. Again, I'm just in my gray era or something. I don't know. Like, I just ordered so many gray things, but I think she is so cute, very flattering, very snug. This is in the size extra small, and yeah, I just think it's super flattering. You know, you can wear it with or without the bra. It's very tight. The quality feels really good as well. It feels very like, almost like athleisure, but it feels nice. Can we have a moment for the jeans? Like, I think these are just the cutest jeans ever. I love this design. It's so unique with the sort of stripes down. I think she looks so cool. I love a good light wash jean. She's a little oversized as well. This is a size small for the jeans, so it's a little bit oversized. I honestly should have gone extra small because she is a little bit big, but it's totally okay because, again, the oversized look is in, so no harm there. It's definitely just like a bit of a baggier look on me, but I absolutely love how these pants look. We got a little White Fox cherry logo right here as well. That's super cute. Next up, I got this gray knit cardigan. This one is just so gorgeous. She looks so much more expensive than she is. I don't know what it is with me. I just love gray recently, apparently. I straight up did not realize I got all gray stuff. Like, that was definitely my bad, but I still think she's so cute. It looks so expensive. This would be so perfect for the fall. It's a perfect layering piece too. I can wear it open, I can wear it closed. It's really just so versatile. Now this sweater is another one of my all-time favorites that I got from this collection. Like, I've already worn it a few times and I just love it so much. I think it looks so gorgeous, so expensive. It feels really nice too. Like, it feels super high quality. It's so thick. I love how big these sleeves are. I think it just gives such a chic look, and this is what it looks like up close. It just, I don't know, it feels so like lush and good. I'm just obsessed with this chocolate brown color as well. Gray and brown are just, I don't know, they're just my colors right now. So I absolutely love it so much. I'm gonna be taking such good care of her. She is not going in the washer. Normally I don't even pay any attention to like the wash instructions on the side of my clothes, but for this one, she is gonna be taken care of because it is just so gorge. I love it. One thing I love about White Fox is just how versatile their brand is. Like, how did I just get a jersey, a bunch of sweat sets, and some really cute expensive looking sweaters from the same brand? Like, this is just a completely different style, I feel like, but this, I just love wearing jerseys with certain outfits in the summertime. Like this with like a skirt, or even just like with some jeans like how I'm wearing right now. It's just really cute. We have the little number in the back, and the quality of this just feels great as well. It's a kind of thick material, like just jersey material, but it feels really good, honestly. I just think it's such a vibe and a good staple to have in your closet to switch things up. Now we're really getting into the summery tops. This one is a really cute halter vest top. It's sort of like a jean material, and it ties up here, and it has a completely open back. I would recommend wearing like a little tube top or something under it because this part is a little loose. You definitely could flash someone, but I think the style is super cute. You could pair this with so many outfits. I think it just gives such a expensive, elevated look. Like, a lot of these outfits are just low-key giving like a rich girl. I really stepped out of my comfort zone by getting this yellow color. I don't own a single yellow thing. It does need to be ironed a little bit, so please ignore that. It's a very short dress, but I just love little skater dresses like this. I feel like I'm ready for a picnic. It's also, again, an open back. So super cute, super pretty. Okay, now this one I think is so fun. I love it. It's giving Safari Ranger a little bit, but in the best way. So this is a matching top and bottom set. You do have to buy them separately. It's gonna be so perfect for summer, where I'll walk around with like my cute little bag and some heels and just be strutting around in my matching set. Oh, I love it so much. And it's so lightweight, just absolutely perfect for the summertime. Like, you're not gonna feel hot at all in this. It also just snatches you so well because there's a tie at the back. So it's just so flattering as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Once again, I'll leave a link to all of the individual pieces that I tried on in the description box down below, along with my discount code that you guys can use if you'd like. And leave a comment down below on what your favorite piece that I tried on was today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!